Randall M. Rueff of Randall M. Rueff, digital and film photography, wedding and event photographer, doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall M. Rueff. It came. My battery grip with my new Canon EOS 7D. Granted, it's not a new camera to the market, but it's new to me, so I'm very excited to be getting this battery grip to make my camera complete, as it were. So let's give it an unboxing, or unwrapping and unboxing. Unenveloping? Oh, well, you know what I mean. There she is. Check that puppy out. For Canon 7D. Neewer. Let's see what it says on the other side. Neewer. I'm still way up here. It says Neewer replacement battery grip for BG-1E for Canon. New, made in China. 1000290. The barcode number is X001IQFSNF. So let's open this puppy up. This is not going to be an installation video, by the way. I'm going to do that in a different video. But this is just simply the unboxing. So again, the installation video will be in another video. I'm excited. Okay, so you get the grip itself. Let's see what else we got here. You got this, which is basically just telling you how to do it, what everything does. I'll get to that a little bit later. This thing about Neewer, which is thank you for your purchase, blah blah blah, throw that away. Disposable end of life. In order to minimize hazards to health and the environment and ensure that material can be recycled, should be disposed of at a separate collection facility for waste, electrical, and electronic equipment. Okay, so don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon, so to say the least. Hopefully it'll last a very long time. Smells new. Feels good. This is cool. Okay, it comes like that. This, so I throw that away. I could sit here and, or not. Okay, it's a level rip that I was expecting. Here it is. They definitely packed it up good. Even though it's not a Canon, it's not as sturdy, as durable as a Canon would be, it still feels pretty good. I mean, it still feels durable. I mean, maybe it's not as good, sturdy as a Canon, made out of the highest, but overall it feels good. I love the feel of it. So we'll throw it away. Throw that away. Put my Neewer and my disposable life on a plastic bag to my Amazon bag here. I think that's it. There it is. Boom, da boom, 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 boom. Looks good, feels good. It's going to cost on the camera. If you want to see that, tune in to my next video. So until next time, I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall M. Rueff, saying thanks for watching, have a good day, God bless. And as always, keep taking those pictures. It helps you get a lot of power. Extra power, battery grip. Bye.